Welcome back, folks. Looking at the nodal shortcut still, and we're just going to roll through these problems as quick as we can, hopefully with you following along and getting more comfortable with this idea. So here's the second problem that we worked on for when we were introducing nodal analysis, and we're kind of going to go through the same stuff. I think that there's not much new here, but repetition really does help. Okay, so I'm looking at setting up a matrix to solve this 3 by 3, this 3 unknown system, I should say. All right, so I think I can, I'm getting brave. I'm going to squeeze it in over here on the left, right? You think it'll work? You think it'll work? We'll see. Okay, so, oh, you know what I can't write? I can't write my little plan here. So let's write the KCL for A, the KCL for B. We'll just have to line wrap. The best laid plans, I tell you. Okay, so what's connected to A, B, and C? What's connected to A? And that's the only question we're asking here, so it's 1 over 4K. What's connected to A that's also connected to B? Since I said also, it's going to be negative 1 over 4K. Okay, what's connected to A that's also connected to C? Nothing. 2 mils is going in, so it's going to be positive 2 mils. Okay, playing the same game for B. What's connected to B that's also connected to A? 4K, so it's negative 1 over 4K. What's connected to B? We got 1 over 4K plus 1 over 2K plus 1 over 4K. I think I squeezed that in. Sorry if it's getting a little hard to read. Hopefully my words help. Okay, that's that center entry. What's connected to B that's also connected to C? We got negative 1 over 4K from R3. There are no current supplies connected to that node, so it's 0. Last one, what's connected to C that's also connected to A? Nothing. What's connected to C that's also connected to B? It's only R3 again, so it's negative 1 over 4K. And then what's connected to C? So it's going to be positive 1 over 4K. We've only got 1 there now because we have this current supply. That current supply is leaving C, so it's going to be negative 6 milliamps. Okay, hopefully that matches what we did before. I got it queued up over here a little better this time. All right, and if we come find this, this is from our previous video. Let me just make sure I can see that everything's on the screen. Right, from previous video. Do we end up at the same place? I think we're going to have all of our signs flipped. It just happens. It's okay. It looks like negative 1, 4, it looks like that first row agrees. It looks like the second row agrees, all with a consistent sign change, so it's going to be equivalent. And so does the last row. Okay. Being good, we plug it in the calculator just to see that this is in fact the case, that I didn't miss anything, because believe it or not, I am human and I do miss things. Oops. 2e negative 3. There we go. Negative 4 inverted, 4 inverted, plus 2 inverted, plus 4 inverted, 4k inverted. Don't forget the k. That's a good way to screw up too, is drop that SI prefix thinking you're clever, only to find out that you are not, in fact, clever. Don't worry, I'm not clever either. All right, and from that I get 0, negative 8, and 32. So I'm pretty happy with that. That went a lot quicker. Under 5 minutes. Can you believe it? All right, let's keep rolling with this. Keep practicing, because we got to start adding voltage supplies and things like that. Stay tuned and good luck.